Math 082, Practice Final Review, Problem 54. Two investments earn an annual income of $86. One investment earns an annual simple interest rate of 5%, and the other investment earns an annual simple interest rate of 6%. The total amount invested is $1,500. How much is invested in each account? This question here is going to show us how we assign our variables. There are two accounts and the amount invested in each is unknown. That's what we assign variables to. Let x equal the amount, this would be in dollars, invested in the account paying 5% interest. And because conceivably the amount invested in the other account is different, we must give it a different variable name. So let y equal the amount invested in the account paying 6% interest. Because we have two variables, we will need two linear equations. One equation is generated by this statement here. The total amount invested is $1,500. So the amount invested in the 5% account plus the amount invested in the 6% account, those two amounts add up to the total amount invested, $1,500. Our other equation will be generated by this statement. Interest is earned from each account. Now how much interest is earned from this account, the one that pays 5% interest? You take the interest rate and multiply it by the amount. 5% times the amount gives you the total amount of interest earned. 5% as a decimal is 0.05. So that interest rate times the amount will be how much interest is earned in that account. Similarly, the amount of interest earned in this account will be the interest rate times the amount invested, 0.06 times y. We add those two amounts together and we get the total amount of interest, which is 86. So we are going to solve this system of equations by elimination. I want to make exact opposite coefficients for one of the variables. I will make these exact opposites. The way I will do it will be to get a negative 0.05x, because then when I add these two together, I will temporarily eliminate x. In order to legitimately get a negative 0.05x here, I must multiply the entire equation by that number. Negative 0.05 times x is negative 0.05x. Negative 0.05 times y, we write minus 0.05y. Negative 0.05 times 1,500 is negative 75. The second equation is unchanged. We add these equations together, bring down that equal sign. Negative 0.05x plus positive 0.05x is 0x. Those are temporarily eliminated. Negative 0.05y plus 0.06y is 0.01y. Negative 75 plus 86 is 11. Divide by 0.01, y equals 1100. And that's the amount of money invested at the 6% rate. So if y is 1100, I put that right back into here. I have x plus 1100 equals 1500. And subtracting 1100 from both sides, I get x equals $400, which is the amount invested at 5%. Let's check the answer key.